It's the second book I've written about gambling, but more importantly, it is a gallop through the 50-year history of this remarkable charity. I've very much enjoyed researching it and writing it because it really does tell a story that is worth reading and thinking about. I am Paul Bellringer, and I have been associated with the Gordon Moody Association for 40 of its 50 years. I first got involved, as people who read the history of Gordon Moody will find out, when I worked for the probation service and became liaison officer for the first house, which was on the borders of Beckenham and Penge. Gordon Moody was involved with the house at that time, and that's when I first met the man, and a remarkable man he was. And if he was with us today, well, he is in spirit, but if he was with us today, he would be very pleased, I think, as to what he achieved by fighting to make sure there was a safe haven for problem gamblers all those years ago.